This is Chris with Space Cabin Audio, and today we're going to take a look at using drags to add some flavor to our ghost notes. Let's do it. Currently, I'm using the groove that we did in our last video where we're using single taps for ghost notes. Let's just take a listen to how this sounds. So let's make this really fast and really simple. Well, remember that a drag is two grace notes followed by an accented note or a tap. Now, in this case, we're going to use 32nd notes, but I'll also show you what 16th notes would sound like. But let's start with 32nd notes. So first of all, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change my grid to 32nd notes. And we're not going to actually use the snare as the tap. We're going to use the kick as the tap. So for instance, here I have a 16th note followed by the kick. I'm actually just going to bring this over and copy this note over. And I'm going to do that everywhere this happens in this groove, just to start with. Let's take a listen to how this sounds. That already adds a lot more flavor. But again, we're going to have to change the velocities for some of these things. So I'm going to bring each of the second notes down. The second note on the drag is usually a bit quieter, especially on a 32nd note version. And let's take a listen now. There we have it. There's using the drag rudiment as a ghost note, which is really cool. So just remember, two grace notes followed by the tap, which in this case, we are using the kick drum. Now let's take a look at what it would sound like if we use 16th notes for the grace notes instead of 32nd notes. It's going to add a totally different feel to the groove. So I will just place each of these on their 16th note value. There we go. Let's take a listen. This also has a really cool feel to it, but it doesn't have that roll type feel that the 32nd note drag has. So it depends what the feel is and what's going on in the song and really what you're trying to get across. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out some of our drum libraries at spacecabinaudio.com.